This is a hand gesture based robotic bed, patient bed, in which we have using the different type of hand gesture to control the motor, which is connected to the our robotic bed. This is a Raspberry Pi B3 Plus, which is the brain of the system. This is a 5 megapixel camera. In order to drive the bed in forward, backward, left and right direction movement, we have provided two different type of BO motors, two BO motors with the wheels, which is driven by this L293 driver. And this is a servo motor which is connected to your Raspberry Pi to control the movement of the bed up and down. This device can be connected. In order to monitor this device, device can be connected to your Wi-Fi network with any smart device using the VNC viewer. Here we have connected our VNC viewer. Let's start this project. Understand working of this project. Let's start. In the initial state, it is showing that bed is getting up and down. It's showing that system is getting started. Now system is started. Now you can see that a camera frame is open on your screen. Now you can start the system. Different hand gesture can be used to control the motor. We'll start this. This is our hand gesture to start the system, and hand gesture to stop the system. This is a hand gesture to stop the motor. You can see that it's showing the stop. Now in order to drive the motor, we have to first start the control. Now it's showing that you can now control the motor. Now we'll move forward the motor. This is the gesture for forwarding motor. You can see that both the motor moving in the forward direction, which will drive the bed in the forward direction. Now second gesture. This is second gesture to move the vehicle in the back direction. Function back is called. Now you can see that both the wheels are moving in the back direction. Now we can use the third gesture, that is to move the you can see that now left function is operated. Three fingers are showing are the gesture to control the movement of the vehicle in the left direction. Now we'll use the fourth gesture, that is fourth gesture, which is to control the motor in the right. You can see that it's calling the right function is called. Now vehicle is moving on the right direction. Now fifth gesture is your to move the. This is our fifth gesture to lift the bed back. You can see that duty cycle of the servo motor is increasing and back lift of the bed is lifting up. Similarly, we can use the sixth gesture to pull down the bed back. This is our sixth gesture. You can see that angle of the duty cycle of the servo motor is decreasing, and your back lift of the bed is pulled down. Now similarly you can stop this operation. This is our stop signal.